Hi guys, today I will explain about how to find YouTube intros outros in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application and sign in your account in Clipchamp, because without signing in, you cannot get access to this feature. The next thing is open a random project like you see. I open a random project and I also imported my media. Now, time to find intros and outros. For this, take a look on the left side of your computer screen. You will see multiple options. From these, you have to select the option content library. Here, you will see multiple things of Clipchamp. Now scroll down, and here you can see the option of videos. Just click on this arrow to expand this feature. Now, on the third number, you can see the option of intros and outros. Click on it, and here you will see the outros and intros which are available. There are not too much, but I think only 18 items are available. So if you found these useful, then tap on this plus icon to add that in your video. And these are not editable like we do in Adobe Premiere Pro or in Adobe After Effects. These are pre-made so you can use it. You can't change anything in these. And it was the way by which you can find intros and outros in Clipchamp.